Hi guys, to receive this cordless knee massager for reviewing purposes, it has a hidden function which I think it's really nice. It has also a LED touch screen control panel, the adjustable straps, the Type-C charging port, and a blue light indicator for when it's working. Okay, I think it's really nice because it has 3 levels of vibration and 3 heat temperatures, which I think it will be perfect for a gift for, well, your partner, your brother, whoever you wanna gift it. This is the main unit. It comes in this bag. I'm gonna place it here a bit. We also have the Type-C charger, which I think it's nice to have included, and a use and care manual. Okay, here we can see all the features, all the parameters, okay, how to use it, each button what it means. Okay, so let's go ahead and start testing it. I have it right here. Okay, and I'm gonna place it in my right knee. And adjust. Okay. And with this button, we turn it on. As it is in metal, all the vibrations aren't the same. You got this side, different sides where it's vibrating, and not all just simultaneously. We can change the vibration modes to low and to high, okay? For a lower or high intensity, okay? I'll return it to auto. And let's get the heating function up to medium, because I don't really feel it on low. Right there you can feel it a little bit more. It's really nice. And let's test the higher. I think that the heating function, I preferred it on low. Just a bit of heat, but I think it's perfect. And the auto mode, it's really nice. It's nice that it comes with the auto mode, the low intensity mode, and the high intensity mode, which are, well, nice when you want to select which type of mini massage you want. And I think it's really nice. It feels really comfortable, and I like it a lot. It's easy to charge because it has a Type-C charging port, and well, overall makes it great for using it in your office, in your house after a long day of work. Whatever you wanna use it, I think it will work perfectly, and I like it a lot. See ya!